France Télévisions is launching the country's first ultra-high-definition channel on the TNT DTT platform today, January 23. France 2 UHD debuts over a large part of mainland France and 9 overseas communities. Sister channel France 3 UHD will launch on July 10, although the initial license period suggests broadcasts may cease at the conclusion of the Games. Both channels come ahead of the 2024 Olympics and Paralympics that will be held in Paris and are expected to occupy the lion's share of broadcast time between July 26 and August 11. Initially, broadcasts will be available in the Paris, Nantes, and Bordeaux regions, before being extended to Toulouse and Rennes on February 27. Nearly 70% of homes are equipped with a 4K UHD TV in France.
Stephen Van Rooyen will leave his positions as CEO of Sky UK and Ireland and Group CCO, with his departure from the business scheduled for the end of February. It means Sky's UK and Ireland operations will now report directly to Group CEO Dana Strong. There is yet no information about Van Rooyen's future plans.
Vision Research has launched the Phantom Miro C321 Air, a high-speed HD camera in an extremely rugged body needed for harsh airborne test applications. It is capable to capture a full HD video at a speed of up to 1480 frames per second. A camera features 16 GB RAM and is equipped with a latch door for removable CFast card. Camera's sensor has a 10-micron pixel for high sensitivity. Frame rates increase to over 94,000 frames per second with reduced resolutions. There are programmable inputs and outputs to configure signals, as well as many other standard Phantom features for flexible test capabilities.
Aja Video Systems released Dante AV 4K version 1.1. The first update for its Dante AV 4K and 4K are transmitter and receiver converters, which enable the transport and control of ultra-low latency, professional quality 4K Ultra HD 2K HD VISA Dante video and audio to and from 12G SDI or HDMI 2.0 devices over a 1 gigabit Ethernet Dante AV network. Available as a free download, the robust update extends the capabilities of both devices with user-inspired improvements that answer modern workflow demands and provide AV professionals with more flexibility in the field as they integrate high-quality, visually lossless video into a diverse range of AV over IP environments.
ARRI has been named the official lighting provider for the prestigious 40th edition of the Sundance Film Festival, which takes place January 18 to 28 in Park City, Salt Lake City, and the Sundance Resort in Utah, USA. ARRI, together with wholly owned subsidiary Illumination Dynamics, is providing the Sundance Film Festival with the company's state-of-the-art lighting solutions, including SkyPanel S30C, SkyPanel S60C, and Orbiter fixtures.
MGM Alternative, a division of Amazon MGM Studios, and the Global Esports Federation have announced a deal to work together to create content relating to global esports games, esports athletes, and the gaming lifestyle. MGM Alternative already produces The Voice, Shark Tank, and Survivor, and GEF, which promotes the credibility, legitimacy, and prestige of esports globally. The new agreement will involve the creation of new linear and streaming content, as well as live events within GEF's esports conventions and events. Esports has experienced significant growth and success in recent years, with the global esports market estimated at $4.2 billion in 2024. Statista estimates that growth is set to continue with a compound annual growth rate of 7.1% between 2024 and 2028.
NABiQ is introducing live challenges on NAB Amplify's online community platform ahead of the in-person brainstorms in Las Vegas. The three-part deep dive series topics revolve around the future of AI, including content creation, content delivery, and audience engagement and interaction. The first and free workshop is scheduled for January 25 at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, targeting the Create community. NABiQ coordinator Maria Diliquin will facilitate the event, joined by NAB Amplify senior editor Emily Reigart for a discussion on unlocking the potential of generative AI. Attendees will discuss, what do we understand about AI in MNE so far? What don't we know? How do we embrace the future of AI in the industry? Registration is open.
Dear colleagues, if you want your news to be included in Briefly, please contact us in the comments. Let's make news together.